Hi, Karen from EdibleWildFood.com here. These are some goodies that I have just gathered. It is Tuesday, March 24, and I'm going to work with these to show you that all this free food you're looking at right now can be made into a meal that is highly nutritious and tasty. We have some dandelions, and of course some garlic mustard, Dame's Rocket. Look at that root on the dandelion, absolutely amazing. I have some wild strawberry in here, lots of shepherd's purse. I know there's some cinquefoil hiding in here somewhere. Well, there's one little one. I do know there's more in here somewhere. And daylilies. Oh my, if you find a patch of these, they're crunchy, they're fresh, they are amazing. Okay, so this you could say is your before picture, and I'll be back when I have created a very cheap and inexpensive meal that is very high on nutrition. So here I am in my kitchen, and I've prepared the wild greens that I gathered earlier today. Everything you see here is going to be dinner tonight. Although this will be added to the meal for my husband because he loves his meat, but I'm going for the vegetarian version. Anyway, what I have here are my garlic mustard that's been cleaned up. Cinquefoil I ended up not having so much. And these are the strawberry leaves, dandelion root, dandelions, daisies, Dame's Rocket, shepherd's purse. Regular ingredients are onions, the chopped mushrooms from the inside of these, some sour cream, not sour cream, sorry, this is the cream cheese, and a little bit of flour with spices, more onions, grated potatoes. Now I'm going to use some hemp seed. That can be quite pricey, so you don't have to use that. You could also use some sesame seeds and just grind them up, and of course a couple of eggs. So don't worry about taking notes or ingredients, because I'll make sure that these get on the website and I will put the links below. Next step, putting this all together. And here is the final product. Some really tasty potato pancakes, stuffed mushrooms, fresh salad, but I had to forage this one in the grocery store because there are not enough fresh greens yet. It is, after all, only the end of March here in Southern Ontario. But for the most part, these potato pancakes, stuffed mushrooms, and of course, dandelion tea, this entire meal, if I add everything up, and I will do that later tonight, probably costs no more than $5. And that's for 2 people. So there you go. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your support. Now it's time to go eat.